Welcome back, friends. Today you will learn how to declare variables and do basic calculations. So let's start. X is the variable, and 1 is the value, so when we press enter it will declare X variable, and also execute the code. When we put semicolon in the end of the code, it will declare the variable but will not execute for the answer, and then we can go to next line. CLC is used to clear the command window. Simple and basic calculations. We will declare two variables and add them. By using keyboard up and down arrow, we can control our command history. So we don't have to write commands again. Our next video is on matrices. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.